Hello students. Now we shall continue the chapter The Thief's Story by Ruskin Bond. We have done the first part of this chapter. In the first part we have discussed that how the thief, who is the central character of the story, has taken the alias name, that is Hari Singh, and he has come to Anil. After some flirtery he has won the confidence of Anil and requested him to allow him to stay with him and lied that he can cook good food, and he is staying with Anil. Though he cannot cook food, Anil has not ousted him from his home and is trying him to how to cook food, and is also teaching him to write sentences, to do the addition and other things. And now he always go to bazaar, and he keeps 1 rupee a day from the money he has given to buy groceries. And slowly Anil has started making money. He has published a book and he has got money. And now the thief thinks that he should take away the money and run away, because at the end of the day Anil is not paying him anything for the service he is giving him. So what will Hari Singh do? Will he steal away the money and run away or not? We shall continue. Anil was asleep. A beam of moonlight stepped over the balcony and fell on the bed. Now it was night time and Anil was asleep. Anil had brought few notes and he has tucked it under the mattress. And he wake up from sleep, Hari Singh, and he saw that the ray of light, moonlight, was falling over the bed on which Anil was sleeping. I sat up on the floor considering the situation. He sat on the floor and he thought about the situation. What should we do next? He should continue with the job without any thieving, or whether he should take the chance and run away with the money. If I took the money, I could catch the 10:30 express to Lucknow. If he can take the money, he could catch a train, that is 10:30 express, and he can go to Lucknow. Slipping out of the blanket, I crept up to the bed. Now he came out of his blanket and he went to the bed on which Anil was sleeping. Anil was sleeping peacefully. His face was clear and unlined. Anil was sleeping peacefully. There was no mark, no any lines on his face. Even I had more marks on my face, though mine were mostly scars. Now here he compares his face with Anil's face. He says that my face has lines, but these are these are mostly scars. Okay, and Anil doesn't have any lines on his face. Lines on the faces are a sign of what? Are a sign of the worries that a person has. So Anil doesn't have that much of money, but Anil was a kind of person who was content with what he had. He never made an issue of anything. My hands slid under the mattress searching for the notes. When I found them, I drew them out without a second. Now he put his hand under the mattress and he found out the notes and he drew out them. Anil sighed in his sleep and turned on his side towards me. Now at that time, Anil took a deep breath and he turned towards Hari Singh. I was startled and quickly crawled out of the room. Now he was startled, he was surprised because he thought that Anil might wake up from his sleep. This might ruin his decision of running away with the money, and he ran out of the room. When I was on the road, I began to run. Now he came out on the road, he had all the money which Anil had tucked under the mattress, and he began to run. I had the notes at my waist, held there by the string of my pajamas. I slowed down to a walk and counted the notes. 600 rupees in 50s. He slowed down his walk and he counted his money. The notes, they were 600 rupees, and there were 12 notes of 50 rupee each. I could live like an oil rich Arab for a week or two. Now he says he compares himself with the oil rich Arab. The Arab people with oil tanks, their lifestyle is very standard. Their lifestyle is very luxurious, and he can live like a oil rich Arab for a week or two with that much of money. So why should he leave the chance of not living that oil rich Arab, and why should he return the money, and why should he not continue with the thieving? When I reached the station, I did not stop at the ticket office. I had never bought a ticket in my life. Now he reached the station and he did not go to the ticket counter, because he has already every time he has traveled without any ticket, he had not arranged for a ticket in his life, but dashed straight to the platform. He went straight to the platform. We know that there are many people, like there are thieves who travel without any ticket. So one is such character, that is Hari Singh. The Lucknow Express was just moving out. The train had still to pick up speed, and I should have been able to jump into one of the carriages, but I hesitated. The Express was moving out. Okay, it had started, but it had not picked up his full speed, and he can enter inside the one of the carriages. But he started thinking, what should he do? What should he do now? He has stolen the money. He has convinced himself that he should run away with the money, because after all, Anil is not paying him any fee, any payment. For some reason I can't explain, and I lost the chances to get away. But he hesitated before going to before entering in one of the carriages, because he cannot explain what is the reason behind that hesitation, what is the reason which is holding him back from running away with Anis money. But he has lost a chance to get away in the 10:30 express, and that train has moved away. When the train had gone, I found myself standing alone on the deserted platform. The train had moved away, and he found that there is no other person on the platform. Probably there was less crowd, and he found himself standing alone. I had no idea where to spend the night. Probably there is no other train. Now he doesn't know where to spend his night. I had no friends, believing that friends were more trouble than help. He had no friends over there. He believed that friends are trouble. They create trouble for us. They do not help us, because given his profession he is a thief, and he cannot disclose his profession and other details with his friends. So given his situation, given his circumstances, it is not good for him to have a friend. So he didn't have any friends, and he didn't know anyone over there, and I did not want to make anyone curious by staying at one of the small hotels near the station. He didn't want to stay in one of the hotels near the station, because that would make people curious. From where did he has come over here, and why is he staying in the hotel? There are many questions people will be asking, and out of that curiosity he might be called. So he gave over that idea of staying or lodging in the hotel for that night. The only person I knew really well was the man I had robbed. Leaving the station, I walked slowly through the bazaar. In that particular place, the only person he was acquainted with, he was knowing, was Anil. So he decided that he should go to Anil, because he had no other option. There is no place where he can stay. There is no other train. There is no other friends. And he walked through the bazaar. He leaves the station. In my short career as a thief, I had made a study of man's faces when they had lost their goods. Now, when he was walking through the bazaar, he has time to ponder over his thoughts. His starts thinking, and when he has stolen, he thinks that people give different kind of reaction. There are when people lose their goals, they make faces. So he has studied those faces and gives his experience, whatever he has studied from the faces. The greedy man showed fear, the rich man showed anger, the poor man showed acceptance. When somebody lost their goods or money, the greedy man used to show fear means fear that he has lost his money, and from where will that money come again. Okay, so they used to get feared. They cannot accept the fact that they have lost their money or their goods. The rich man showed anger. The rich man used to get angry or furious because they thought that they had earned that money with much hard work, and they cannot allow anyone to take that money or those goods. The poor man showed acceptance, but it is only the poor man who accept that okay, my things are gone, my money is gone, because they don't have many things, and they had learned to compromise with the situation, the poor people. And so they believe that this time also, if their things are lost, it's okay, they accept that this thing. But I knew that Anil's face when he discovered the theft would show only a touch of sadness. He thought that when Anil will discover that his money has gone, and that Hari Singh has stolen away, he will not feel anything, but he will feel sad. And this sad is not out of the loss of money, but this sadness will be out of the loss of trust, because he trusted Hari Singh. He taught him many things. He taught him writing his name and making sentences and numbers also. And this Hari Singh has betrayed Anil. So he will be sad, but not out of loss of money, but out of loss of trust. So in his entire life, he has not thought this much before stealing anything, and this is the time which he is thinking, because his personality has probably changed by coming in contact with Anil. This is the influence of persons like people like Anil himself was a good man, and a bit of humility, a bit of goodness, he has also managed to bring in Hari Singh. That is why he is not running away with the money, because no, that is not a great thing for Hari Singh to do. He can still run away, but he is hesitating because he didn't want to lose the trust of Anil. I found myself in the Maidan. I sat down on a bench. He reached a field and he sits down on a bench to think probably. The night was chilly. It was early November and a light drizzle added to my discomfort. The night was chilly. The night was cold because it was the month of November. It was winter time and a little drizzle, little rainfall was having he was having there was a little rainfall going on, and that added to his discomfort, means that added to his worries because he cannot stay in the open maidan, open field for a long time because he was getting wet, the money was getting wet. Soon it was raining quite heavily. Now it started raining heavily. My shirt and pajamas stuck to my skin, and a cold wind blew the rain across my face. Now his shirt and pajamas stuck to his skin because of rain, because they were wet, and cold wind started blowing across his face. That means it was not the weather to sit on a field, and now he has to run away to Anil's house because he has no place to go. He has no shelter, any other shelter. I went back to the bazaar and sat down in the shelter of the clock tower. The clock showed midnight. I felt for the notes, they were damp from the rain. He went back to the bazaar and he sat down in the shelter of the clock tower. There was a clock tower. A clock tower is huge, tall, and it provides shade. And under that shade, he sat, and the clock showed midnight. It was 12, and he felt for the notes. He touched the notes and felt the notes, and they were damp and wet because of the rain. Anil's money. In the morning, he would probably have given me 2 or 3 rupees to go to the cinema, but now I had it all. So he thought that since he has earned this much of money for the first time in his life, after Hari Singh has of course come to his life, he believed that he had given him 2 or 3 rupees in the morning so that he can go to the cinema and watch a movie. But there he was, luckily he was having all the money. So he is pondering over his thoughts. There is a conflict going on in his mind. His thief mind says that he should go away with the money because that is also not possible because train is not available. On the other hand, he thinks that he should go away. Even before stealing, he was thinking because he believed that it will not matter to Anil much. This money will not matter to Anil much, but what will he lose? He will lose shelter, he will lose food, he will lose a teacher who has taught him many things. I couldn't cook his meals, run to the bazaar, and learn to write whole sentences anymore. Now the question was not of money only, the question was of many things. He used to cook his meal, he used to enjoy that, he used to go to the bazaar, and he also used to learn the sentences. So he will not get this much of trust, this much of friendly kind of environment, a family, not again. I had forgotten about them in the excitement of the theft. Since he has seen that much of money, when he has stuck the money under the mattress, he has not considered this kind of the story, this part of the story that he has given him so many things, and whole sentences I knew could one day bring me more than a few hundred rupees. He believed that if he learn to write, that will fetch him more money in future. If he can learn and he can do good things with that knowledge that he is getting from Anil. It was a simple matter to steal, and sometimes just as simple to be caught. It is a simple matter. It is not. It is an easy thing. It is not a big deal to steal and not to be get or caught also, because getting caught is also simple. It's usual for a thief. But to be a really big man, a clever and respected man was something else. But to leave a man, a respected man in the society, being a clever one is something else. Now he is living with Anil, and there is no one who can call him a thief. He was living a respectable life, and doing a job. There was no tag of being a thief on him since he has started living with Anil. Now he doesn't want to lose that position, because if he will start to steal again, then it is obvious that he will steal and he will go to jail, he will be caught. This is a normal circle, it will continue. But the kind of life he has got staying with Anil will not come back. I should go back to Anil, I told myself, if only to learn to read and write. He thought that he should go back to Anil, if not for any other reason, but for to read and write, because there will be no other people, no other person who will teach him to read and write as Anil does. I hurried back to the room feeling very nervous, for it is much easier to steal something than to return it undetected. Now he hurried back to the room, to his home where Anil lived, but he was very nervous. He believed that it is easier to steal, but it is not easier to return the money that he has stolen undetected, because it might happen that by this time Anil might have discovered that he has ran away with all the money. I opened the door quietly, then stood in the doorway in clouded midnight. He opened the door, he stood on the doorway, and it was moonlight. Anil was still asleep. I crept to the head of the bed, and my hand come up with the notes. Now he was still asleep, Anil was still asleep. He went to the head of the bed and pulled out the notes from the place where he was keeping it. I felt his breath on my hand. I remained still for a minute. He could feel the breath of Anil on his hand, and he remained still for a minute. What kind of person is that? That a person has stolen away the money and he has not yet discovered. He's sleeping with that peacefulness. Then my hand found the edge of the mattress and slipped under it with the notes. He found the edge of the mattress. He put the notes under the mattress once again. I awoke the next morning to find that Anil had already made the tea. He stretched out his hand towards me. Now the next morning he woke up late because throughout the night he didn't sleep probably, and half of his night was wasted in running away with the money and coming back again. And he has made the tea for himself. Anil has woke up early, and then he came to Hari Singh and he stretched out his hand as if he is giving something to Hari Singh. There was a 50 rupee note between his fingers. My heart sank. I thought I had been discovered. He gave a 50 rupee note to Hari Singh. Then at once he was taken aback. He was surprised. But for what is he going to do? Why is he giving me 50 rupee note? He has not given me that much of money in his before this. So he thought that probably he had been discovered. I made some money yesterday, he explained. Now you will be paid regularly. Now he said that I have earned some money yesterday, so you will be paid regularly because I have started making money. Probably he was writing that he was not able to find any publisher, but now since his writing is becoming popular, his writings are becoming popular, and he has founded a publisher, so he can earn money. And he believed that he said that he will be paying regularly to the thief, to Hari Singh. Now Hari Singh's problem is solved because this was a chance for him to cheat Anil, saying that he is not paying him, but now he will be paid, and so he will not be compelled to thief or steal. He can live a peaceful life over there. He can stay with him, go to the bazaar, cook food for him, learn and get the money. My spirits rose, but when I took the note, I saw it was still wet from the night's rain. Now he believed that when he took the note was still wet from the night rain. Excuse me. Today we'll start writing sentences. Then he said that today we'll be learning how to write sentences. Excuse me. He knew, but neither his lips nor his eyes showed anything. I smiled at Anil in my most appealing way, and the smile came by itself without any effort. Now, seeing the reaction of Anil, Hari Singh could make out that he knew that Hari Singh has run away with the money and probably he has returned. But neither his lips nor his eyes showed anything. He didn't say anything with his mouth, didn't disclose this thing, nor his eyes showed any sign that he is well aware of what he has done in the midnight. But having said and done, he smiles at Anil, and in the most appealing way, the kind of smile he has given to him when he has met him for the first time. And the smile came by itself because he was finding that Anil is doing and Anil is considering him, and Anil is not taking this very seriously. So Anil is giving him one more chance. Once he has stolen Anil's money, then he can do this second time also. But Anil is the kind of person who can trust anyone easily. It doesn't matter much to Anil whether he can run away with all the money Anil had, because Anil thought that he doesn't have many things to lose. What he has is the knowledge. He has the capability of writing. So he was happy with that, and it didn't matter what Hari Singh did. And Hari Singh smiled, and this smile came by itself without any effort. Here we have reached the end of the chapter. I hope you have understood the chapter well.